Hi, I'm Andy McRobbie from Buro Seating. I'm joined today by Andrew Wilson. Andrew is a practicing osteopath and ergonomist, and he's also a published author on both of these topics. Andrew, occasionally I bump into potential consumers of office chairs, and their opening statement is to me, what chair should I buy? And their next question of me is they want to spend as least dollars as possible on the office chair. Can you tell me what your answer would be to those questions?
I certainly can. Sitting comfortably is not about just finding a surface to sit on and making an effort. You can't sustain an effort for an 8-hour period and you'll soon start to slouch. So you need the right tool for the right task. When you're sitting 8 hours a day, to get the right chair that suits you is really important. Select the right tools that help you maintain your good posture and work efficiency throughout the day. The chair needs to be comfortable, it needs to be adjustable, and it needs to support your joints in their neutral posture without pressure points during prolonged seating. That's a good start. Then you want to look for a chair that's easy to adjust. You can reach things easily while you're sitting, they're clearly marked, and it's intuitive to adjust. Some studies show that even if people have a chair with adjustments, they still end up not knowing how to use them and not sitting properly. Look for a chair that's got a 10-year guarantee. Then you know the manufacturer believes in their own product. Your health's much too important to just sit on any old cheap chair.
Thanks, Andrew. And if you need help setting up your Buro chair correctly, please jump on the Buro website, buroseating.com. We have a section on there, Tune Your Chair videos. I really strongly recommend that you have a look. It'll make a massive difference to your comfort in the workplace. Thank you.